Hello everyone. Today we will see how you can download a video from Facebook. Do note that this method is the same for Android and iPhone. So first of all, we have to open the Facebook app. Now you can go ahead and look for the video that you want to download, but I've already found one, so we'll use it as an example. So once you've opened the clip, you have to click on the three dots on the top right. And there's a bunch of options here, but you have to click copy link. So once you've done that, you can back out of Facebook and open any browser. I'll be using Google Chrome, but you can use any that you prefer. So we have to search download Facebook video. And as you can see, we will just click the first link here. And we'll paste the link that we copied in the bar right here. And click download. Once it's done loading, you can see here that you can download it in the quality that you prefer. And that's how you download a Facebook video. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.